Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney, and when I say I was not planning on filming a video today, I was not planning on filming a video today whatsoever, which is why I look crazy, because I'm in quarantine and no one needs to see me. I was just cleaning up the house and doing some things that I do 2 or 3 times a week that keeps my house feeling fresh and clean while having a crazy dog or a shedding problem, a self-shedding problem. But I wanted to show you guys what I do to keep the house clean, and I do this, like I said, 2 or 3 times a week. I feel like my house still feels really fresh, really clean, and comfortable when people come over, because whether you know it or not, sometimes you can walk into a house and you can literally like smell that there's a dog there, or you like sit down and people feel like uncomfortable to be there because there's just hair everywhere and it's just annoying, or it just feels like muggy because of like all the dog. Do you know what I mean? So I wanted to make this video just to show you guys that there are some simple things you can do to kind of keep up your house and just make it feel a little bit more fresh. And this is not by any means a deep clean. There's so many other things that you need to do to keep your house clean with a dog, but these are just some things that I do a few times a week to keep up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, tip number 1 is to go in with a broom. So I go into every single nook and cranny with a broom before I vacuum. Under the couch, there's always dog hair. So I'm just gonna sweep under here. And the thing is, when you're vacuuming, a lot of times people will not get into the nooks and crannies, but that's where like when the sunlight comes on your hardwood floors, you just see all kinds of dog hair. So I'm gonna be hitting up all the corners, the baseboards, and just kind of doing like a really quick sweep to get on all the nooks and crannies of the floor. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, now that I've made like little piles on the floor of the hair I need to vacuum up, I'm going to be vacuuming, and I just have a shark vacuum. I'm not like in love with it or anything. I really want a cordless one, but that's gonna be down the road. But this gets the job done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the little piles, and I wish you guys could see all of this. Maybe I'll give you some gross B-roll, but of all the hair piles there are, I'm gonna be vacuuming these up. But it's so much easier when you make the piles because it's just like everything's gonna be right up. You're not like looking or whatever, so I don't know. Go ahead and do this. Here is my short-haired little pitty that just sheds like crazy. He's heavy, oh my gosh. And let me, 1 second. He literally sheds so bad, especially since it's spring. He's just shedding his winter coat, and he's allowed on our beds. He's allowed on the couch because he's a spoiled little baby. So that's why we have to keep up with his cleaning routine, or else our house will just be insane. But this is why, this is the inspiration behind today's video. Okay, I forgot to mention that I also go through and I vacuum the couches because, like I said, he does sit on the couch. So my next product is my holy grail. I think every single household needs this if you have hardwood floors or just like ceramic floors. And this is the Bissell, whatever, what kind of mop is this? Spin wave mop, okay? So basically, this is perfect if when it's raining and stuff, or you just like traction, mud, whatever. So it comes with 2 different pads. One is more like a soft for wood, which is what I'm using, or you can use one that's really like, it gets super intense. But basically you put in the cleaning solution and then you put it over the spots that you need, and then the spin pads like move while it's going. And it takes like 2 seconds to do your floors, and they just look clean and new and beautiful, and this makes all the difference. So my hardwood floors are pretty good right now, but I am gonna go ahead and clean the kitchen, so I'll show you guys those floors. So, example of what I put up with. And yes, I could clean with him outside. Usually I do, but for the sake of this video, I guess he's indoors for some reason. Okay, so the floors are the biggest concern because I feel like that's the biggest tell if your house is destroyed or not. Because my dad came in the other day and he was like, oh my gosh, now you guys have to deal with nasty wood floors. And I was like, oh my gosh, because when the sun was just shining on it, you just saw all his hair. So that's a big deal. The next thing that I have though, this is the Mrs. Meyer's room spray, and I'm obsessed with this. I don't feel guilty about spraying it out because it is good for us to breathe in. I mean, not like it's like amazing, but like it's good for you. It's natural products. So I'm gonna spray it down on all of the couches, and this helps a lot because it feels so clean. And people literally will walk into the house and they're like, wow, your house just smells so clean and fresh. And it's literally because of the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. Okay, for our next cleaning hack is to make sure we are cleaning down the windows. So this is the glass door that he comes in and out of, and he will just like breathe on it, you know, jump on it, make scuffs on it, and it's just disgusting. And when you're in the kitchen, you just see it and it's so gross. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna clean that. And also, if you're wondering what this black thing is right here, this is the greatest invention of all time, and I will leave below if you want the Amazon link. Basically, long story short, it's a screen door. So basically it's held up by magnets, and you can go in and out through the magnets here. So this is great for Boyer because we like to keep the doors open and things like that, but we don't want to, you know, really control him because he goes in and out, and we don't want the screen door to break. So that's why we have this. Go ahead, go inside, show them. Show them how to use it. Go in, come on. Good job. So that's how he uses it. So we'll literally just keep this open because we like the fresh air, and he can go in and out without the books and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and clean this glass door. My next tip is to have dog decor pieces that are actually cute and aesthetically pleasing and also match your house, like my husband's shoes that are right there. But we got this literally the day that we rescued Boyer, and I just thought it was so cute. I got it off of Facebook Market, someone made it. And then this is from TJ Maxx. And then I have a little plant here, just, you know, so he can have some just earthy vibes, obviously. Look, I like how I'm doing a cleaning video and my house looks like this. But that is a big deal for us. And then also with his toys, his toy bin is just a nice little wicker basket. I want to get a better one, but literally when we adopted him, we didn't even know we were getting a dog. We just randomly got a dog, so we were unprepared. We've only had him for like 2 months. But I just use these all around the house that holds his toys, so it doesn't look too, you know, weird looking. It kind of blends in a little bit. He looks so awkward right now. You okay, buddy? All right, everyone, that is everything that I have for you guys on how to keep your house clean. Just things you can do on the daily to keep up with your dog, especially the one who sheds like my lovely little dog does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment below if you want more videos about Boyer or just keeping up with him, or if you want to know his rescue story, because it's really inspiring and just so cute. Because guys, no one wanted him. He was returned 4 times. Like, no one wanted him. And he's like the world's sweetest dog. So if you want more videos about that, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to keep up with more videos that I'll be posting. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.